Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So before starting, I want to thank all the people who left lovely comments on my community post. I was diagnosed with dengue fever. That's why I was not able to post in October and half of November. I was really hurt and disappointed by seeing some comments telling me to be more active or why should we even subscribe if you're not even consistent. I wrote a long post about it, how I feel. If you care, you can read that. But for today, I have a mix of affordable and high-end skincare, body care, hair care, and makeup recommendations, which I use the most and buy all the time. And some of these products are on amazing deals, so shop mindfully. The whole idea of sale is to save money, not spend more. I also got this box in the PR, but I am not recommending anything. I got this in box because I haven't used any. So I recommend only the products that I use and I trust. There are so many sales going on, and if you're feeling confused, this video is for you. So let's begin. So let's start with my favorite Korean skincare brand, Cosrx. I love Cosrx skincare in my routine. I just checked on the NYKAA app and Cosrx is on 20% off, and both of these kits are also 20% off. I finally tried the Cosrx Honey and Propolis overnight mask, you guys, and it's amazing. I have used their rice nourishing overnight mask, but if I had to choose one, I would choose their honey mask because this is so nourishing and it makes my skin so soft and so supple and so radiant. And the other one is their Propolis toner. They have a honey glow kit as well. If it goes on sale, buy it, you guys. It's amazing. You get to try their whole honey range, which I want to. And the other kit that I would recommend is their Snail Mucin range, which is amazing. You get to try so many amazing Snail Mucin products like the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, which I recommend all the time, and it's amazing for the coming colder season as well, and it makes your skin so plump. If you have wrinkles, it will dissolve. Other must have is Cosrx Snail 92 all-in-one cream. It's my favorite night cream, period. CTRE Khana Manra. I hope you don't mind, you guys. I'm just gonna quickly give you my recommendations. I also really like the dual essence, but it's expensive, and you can get with the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Especially for the colder season, I think this is enough. I've used many Cosrx skincare products and I love most of them, but these are my absolute must-haves from Cosrx. Definitely give them a try. Your skin will change for the better. Ordinary Skincare is also going on buy two get one free offer. If you have never tried Ordinary, this is the best time to try their serums. I have been loving newly launched Pink Serum by Ordinary. It was so hyped. This is the soothing and barrier support serum, so it's for your skin barrier. It reminds me of Niacinamide rice water serum by Plum. The consistency is same, so if you love that serum, I'm very sure you would love this as well. It adds a beautiful glow on the skin, perfect for the coming winter season. It's on the expensive side from Ordinary, but I also have affordable serums that I really love from Ordinary. Ordinary 10% niacinamide and their 2% hyaluronic acid serum are my all-time favorite, and also I have loved their multi-peptide hyaluronic acid serum as well. And the last product that I really love from Ordinary is their squalane cleanser. I freaking love it, and I cannot recommend this enough. If you're looking for a cleanser to remove your makeup without hurting your eyes, this is the one. Klairs skincare, my second favorite Korean skincare, is also going on 20% off. If you've been looking for a lightweight, airy sunscreen which doesn't feel sticky yet feels hydrating on the skin and no white cast, Klairs All Day Airy Sunscreen SPF 50 is for you. It has water-based gel texture, oxybenzone free, and has new age filters, and you can see how it just melts into my skin, you guys, and it's so lightweight. I highly recommend this. Right now it's on 20% off, and you can get it for 1300 rupees, which is a steal. And my second favorite is the freshly juiced vitamin C drops. It's a 5% vitamin C serums, and I haven't found a replacement for this yet, you guys. It's so amazing, and I still recommend this. I have literally 3 bottles right now in my fridge, and none of them oxidize, and everybody used this serum in my family. That's why I have 3. My must-buy cleanser for this pink sale is from Klairs, and it's their Gentle Black Facial Cleanser, and it is so good, you guys. It is rich in blackberries, truffle, black cumin, black beans. It's so nice. It's a pure purifying face wash, so if you have whiteheads and blackheads, go for it. I haven't used a cleanser which cleans my skin but also doesn't make it dry. I would recommend it to all skin types, but especially oily acne prone skin types. This is heaven sent for you. You can also try their skincare trial kit, which is also on 20% off. So you get to try 4 skincare products from Klairs, which are my favorite. There's not even one product in this kit that I don't like. I love all 4 of them. I have used their rich moist soothing creams and finished it. It's like perfect for the colder season, and their gentle black cleansing oil is so smooth, you guys. It removes my makeup so easily and doesn't hurt my eyes. Love this facial oil. It's my new favorite. So these are my Klairs skincare recommendations, some sunscreens, some moisturizers, some serums. If you want to try a vitamin serum, Klairs serum. If you want to try a sunscreen, go for the Klairs one. And if you want to try a new face wash that is amazing, go for the Klairs face wash. And for toner, Cosrx Propolis toner. If you want an affordable face wash that is super gentle on the skin, go for the simple refreshing face wash. It's so affordable and so good. There's a reason I've been recommending it for so many years. Also, if you guys want more affordable sunscreen recommendation, I have the Cosrx SPF 50 and the Minimalist SPF 60. Both of these are oxybenzone free. That's why I'm recommending them. I've talked about these two in depth in my other videos, sunscreen videos, so you can check them out. If you guys love the Clinique Moisture Surge like I do, I use it all the time. I have a new favorite to share with you guys, and it's the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Clean Moisture Gel Cream. This is such a lightweight moisturizer, you guys. Like, it reminds me of Neutrogena Hydro Boost, but it's fragrance free, which is amazing, and colorants free. I wanted a moisturizer which is like gel based but does not have any fragrance, so it's amazing for even the sensitive skin types and for very oily skin types, since they don't want to wear like creamy and heavy moisturizers. This one is amazing, you guys. Definitely get it. It's so hydrating. Like, my skin feels drenched in moisture. I love it. And my holy grail serum, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This serum is on 25% off for the first time during NYKAA Pink sale. It's mind-blowing, you guys. I freaking love it. It's one of my oldest and all-time favorite serum, which I buy again and again. I cannot live without it. I always have it in my skincare vanity. This one and the Klairs Vitamin C serum, I use them all the time. You can use it in the day and night, but I prefer using in the night time. I have a full in-depth review on it. If you want to check that out, I'll leave it in my description box. If you're feeling confused whether to buy it or not, it's an expensive serum. Watch that video. It will surely help you whether this is for you or not. Plum is going on huge sale, like up to 35% off. So I do have a lot of favorites from Plum. So for Bodycare, I would highly recommend to try their new Vanilla Caramello body lotion. It is so amazing, you guys. It smells like caramel and vanilla, warm, fuzzy. I love how the smell of vanilla lingers on my body. It's so good. And then I layer it with the Plum body oil in vanilla vibes. This is my favorite. I do not like vanilla, like it's so basic, but Plum did vanilla so right. Their body oil is my all-time favorite. It's a must buy if you want like a glowing body like JLo and Beyonce. This is the one for you guys. I highly recommend. And then I do love some of the Plum serums, but I tried their facial oil and the winter season is coming. I would highly recommend that you try the Rosehip facial oil, which is so amazing to boost collagen and to even tone your skin. It also works on hyperpigmentation, so I would highly recommend. And the best thing about these facial oils is that it's so lightweight, you guys, and it's non-comedogenic, so even the oily skin types can use this. Do you see how quickly it got absorbed into my skin? And 2 serums that I highly recommend to try from Plum is their rice water niacinamide serum and their retinol serum. These two are a must try. Retinol and niacinamide products. There's no offer on Dr. Sheth products right now, but they would be going on sale because they like go to up to 50% offers. And if they do, I would highly recommend to try try their peels. Dr. Sheth peels are the best in the market. I also love their newest body peel as well, and their extra gentle peel and medium strength peel. So these are my peel recommendations for you guys. These Dove body scrubs are also on 20% off. Right now I'm using the brown sugar and coconut butter variant, but I've used all the variants from them and all of them are equally lovely, equally good. These are the best body scrubs hands down in the market. Do not sleep on these body scrubs, you guys. It's gonna make your body so glowing and so clean. You're gonna love me for it. Okay, now let's quickly talk about hair care, then we will move on to the makeup products. So for hair care, I've been using the Plum Pro Next Bond Restore shampoo and their mask. Both of these are so good. Like, it gives a lot of volume but also doesn't make my hair dry. So I'm sharing what I'm using right now. And for hair serum, I freaking love the Moroccan treatment oil. This is so good and I've been buying it all the time. This time I'm thinking of buying the festive kit. You get the full size bottle and then you also get this mini bottle, which is like for 1500 rupees free with that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for that, you guys, myself. Now let's move on to the beauty products, you guys. Last year I did not share my beauty favorites, but this year I do have many favorites which I want to share, and I've been enjoying doing my makeup these days. So Maybelline is also on 40% off, you guys. So this foundation is for 389 rupees right now. I mean, I stopped using this foundation because it wasn't that long lasting, but it's one of the best foundation for the price. If you're looking for an affordable foundation in dark for this and gives so flawless base, doesn't look cakey at all and last respectfully, you know. And for powder, like, I have been really loving the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder in medium shade. So definitely try these two products from Maybelline if you're looking for some affordable beauty products. You guys know I also really love lip glosses, and Maybelline glosses are also on 28% off. So you can get these on such a great deal. Looks so pretty. But if you're looking for a super long lasting foundation, like it lasts you whole day and night, go for the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Do not take it lightly when I say it doesn't move, it doesn't budge. This is on 15% off, you guys, for the first time, which is amazing. That's why I highly recommend that you grab it during this sale. I can't see e.l.f. on any sort of discount right now, but I'm pretty sure they would go on up to 15%, 20% discount. And if they do, I would recommend to try the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, which is a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, which is my favorite holy grail must buy from Charlotte, but it is 4,000 rupees. I mean, it's so expensive, but this is also, I think, around 1,600 rupees. It's not very affordable either, but if they go on sale, go for this, you guys. It gives a beautiful, healthy glow. It's that season again when I just love my makeup to be glowing. It will make your makeup super glowy. A lot of people ask me, Mandvi, what do you use for your base? I use Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter before my foundation. So if you want to go for the original thing, let me check if they are on any offer. They will be on 20% off, so you can try this from Charlotte Tilbury. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is my favorite go-to concealer. I use it all the time whenever I do my makeup, and it stays in its place. It doesn't crease. It's also not very drying on the eyes and so affordable. Bless it. And other must try from CT is their eyeshadow, Pillow Talk eyeshadow, you guys. You can see I have hit pan on these two and I will buy it again because this is the most used palette by me. I've never finished a eyeshadow palette and it is so worth the money, so easy, so everyday. If you don't know how to do your makeup and you just want to look so beautiful, this is the eyeshadow you should go for, you guys. Trust me, it is worth investing. I also really like their Golden Goddess eyeshadow palette. It gives the easiest smoky eye, very diffused. This glitter shade is one of my favorite shade. It gives a wet smoky eye look. Recently I bought the Dior Rosy Glow blush, which was so overhyped and so many people raved about it, but I'm gonna be honest you guys, I like it, but it doesn't have a sheen. It's matte, like super matte. I like the color, but I still reach out for my CT blush in shade Love Rush, which is like my all-time favorite. It's peachy pinky and it looks so beautiful, you guys. I cannot recommend this enough. Also, their Glowgasm Pinkgasm blush, which is like a liquid blush, is so beautiful. I have almost finished it. I think I will buy it, and I have only one lipstick recommendation for this video, and it's again by Charlotte Tilbury. I wear it all the time, you guys. There was a time when MAC Meher lipstick was like so popular. It was the nude lipstick that all the it girls were using, but it never looked good on my lips. I would buy this lipstick over MAC Meher in a heartbeat. It's a nude pink shade. It's natural looking, but it makes me look pretty. I have a medium dusky skin tone, so it's perfect for my skin tone, you guys. I love it. Even like the darker skin tones, it would look so beautiful on you. It's my favorite lipstick. I am wearing it on right now. For liquid blush, which I'm wearing on my cheeks today, it's the Blush Bomb by Flower Beauty, and I have the shade Nectar, which is a beautiful peach color, you guys. I've been loving liquid blushes, especially during this time. Best way to work with liquid blush or contour is to take some out on your hand and then pat it with your beauty blender or the brush. It gives that diffused look. It's like a very close dupe of Rare Beauty. Like both of these liquid blush look similar on my cheek in terms of the intensity and the look. I'm also thinking of buying the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder because I've finished this mini one. It blurs my face like no other powder. I've never used a powder like this, and it makes my foundation, like my base makeup, long lasting. But you can also use the Maybelline powder if you're looking for something affordable, but this is definitely worth investing, as I'm gonna buy one myself. And if you're looking for a nude nail paints, you guys, I love OPI nail paints. It's on 10% off. I have the shade Bubble Bath, which is like a beautiful peachy nude nail paint. It looks so pretty. It goes with every outfit. 269 rupees, which is I think great, and these nail paints last really long and so good. You just have to apply like 2-3 coats of this to get the right shade. As you know, I don't use fake eyelashes very often. I feel lazy to do it. It's a lot of work, but if you want your eyelashes, your natural eyelashes, to look beautiful, like Bambi eyes, like full voluminous long, go for the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is like, I've been using it for so many years, and I'm gonna buy it during this sale, and it's very affordable as well. So yes, kiddies, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for all the support and all the get well soon wishes. I am back, and I already posted 2 videos, CeraVe review and my Cosrx new favorites video, so don't forget to check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.